So today we're talking about the Bosch 5-inch orbital sander. Now this is a cool little tool, very handy to have, has a great design on it. As you'll see, a lot of the orbital sanders you'll see out there today on the market have more of a bulky design. This has the battery location is kind of more off here to the side. In my opinion, that just makes it a little easier to handle. The nice part is that 4-amp battery does not throw it off balance. If you put an 8-amp battery on there, you might see it off balance a little bit and it'll tip a little bit. So it becomes a little bit more difficult to work with. But I think the 4-amp battery works just fine. On this, you have your power button here, which has a slow start feature. So no matter what setting you have this at, no matter what speed you have, it's going to start slow and then it'll ramp up. It ramps up pretty quickly depending on the speed, but it does start slow and then ramps up. On the side here, you have your speed settings. So it's variable speeds. You can set to whatever you want. And again, if I had it on 4, you'll see it slow starts and then starts up. And you don't have to hold that trigger down. You just hold, or you don't have to hold that button down. You just hit it once. Again, battery, in my opinion, is in great location on the back side here. Just makes it a little bit easier to work with. On the side, you have your dust collection here. This is really easy to remove. Basically, just pull it off, twist it here, so you can't pull it off. The other nice part is this bag. You can just unscrew this, so you don't have to try to dump it using that. You could just leave this on and then dump it and then screw this back in. Now there is an adapter. It does not come with this depending on what you bought. If you just bought the bare tool, which is what this is, it does not come with the adapter, but there is an adapter for this that you can actually hook this up to, say, a vacuum and hook it up to a hose, which is really nice. Makes it really easy to use. So if you use it in your shop, again, very easy to use that way. But if you're taking it with you, you can also do this as well. The sanding pads come on and off really easily. Again, if you bought this just the bare tool, it comes with one sanding pad, and again, very easy to take on and off, which is nice.